Hello everybody. So inspiration has struck and I am ready to open this. I've been working on gnomes because it's November. So that just gave you a big hint what this is. It's been sitting here about a week. Yeah, and I haven't opened it yet. So let's open it. Let's open. We got to get to it. I've seen people working on this. You guys, oh my goodness, it turns out so good. All right, it turns out so great. Let's get to her. Let's open her up. I loved that the two paintings I really liked from this week's selections were both round drill. I'm ready for it. Come on. I can't get into it. I'm ready for some rounds in my life. I'm ready. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, jeez, there's a lot in there. All right, here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, it's the Christmas gnome trio. Yay. Okay, it is much yellower than what this sticker looks. I've seen people working on it. That background is yellow. It is a 76 by 56 round drill diamond painting. The artist is Lori Furnell. Blurry. Okay, aren't they cute? The one guy's got an ornament, one guy has a candy cane and antlers, and the other guy has a Christmas tree with a bird. Oh my gosh. How cute is that, right? How cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, your typical toolkit with Diamond Art Club includes your tray, your pen, your squishy, your wax, baggies. There's the wax, heart-shaped wax. And in here, in amongst these baggies somewhere will be a thin four-placer, the white ones, my favorites. Hello, are you in there? It's in there. It's got to be in there. All right. Okay, you ready? Yes, I'm a little giddy. Giddy. Oh, tore my bag. Tore the bag. Okay, here we go. Nice soft canvas. Of course it's soft. Diamond Art Club soft. Ooh. Scalloped. Poured glue. Let's get it out. Let's get it out of here so you can see it. So I can see it. I haven't watched anybody unbox it. No. I've just seen pictures posted on Instagram and places like that. I don't like to watch somebody else's video before I see it myself. You know what I mean? I like to have my experience be my experience. All right. Here is your important instruction manual. Tips and tricks and codes. Abide. Reside. Not abide. Reside in here. Yes. If you do not have a code, I have one you can use. Feel free to. It is 10 off Mindy. Okay? 10 off Mindy. It will save you $10 off your very first purchase. Not your second purchase, sorry, but your first purchase if you're new to Diamond Art Club. Okay? After that, there's codes all over the place. In the box, on the canvas, everywhere. There you go. Look at it. Oh my gosh, look at it. It looks kind of tannish, the background here, but it is not. It's not. I've seen it. Look at it. Oh my gosh, here's your sticker. This whole thing is a sticker. It has 55 colors, you guys. 55. And that last one right there, that E310, that is glow in the dark. So, just like the snowman that I just unboxed, the snowman is outlined. Everything is outlined with the black 310. So I wonder if everything here will be outlined with the black 310 as well. That's a lot of colors. These are peelable. They come off individually. You can put them on your containers when you kit up. There's your symbolist. Alien dude. Hello. Welcome to the universe. Anything under 150 is an AB. So we're going to have white, orange, blue. White, orange, and blue. All right, cool. Love it. Okay. Are you ready to see this? I am so ready to see this. Look, here's our glow-in-the-dark 310s right here. So there's a bunch of them. So my thought is everything is going to be outlined in glow-in-the-dark. All right, look at that legend. Woo, that's a big legend. I mean, it has to be when you got 55 colors. All the DMC codes are listed there. Looks nice. Drill field. Beautiful. Ooh, multiple colors. Got the swirly, we got this N, we got a Y. It's multiple colors. There's a present, some holly leaves and berries. Again, everything perfectly clear. And I'm pretty sure, yes, all of this All of this is outlined with glow in the dark. Yay! Oh my gosh. How exciting. Look, he's a big boy. Ooh, you guys are big. You're bigger than I thought you were going to be. Well, you know, I'm used to, no, it's big. It's just big. Okay. 76 by 56. Love it. It has this border all the way around, which is just like stripes. We got stripes. All right, let me zoom you out. Zoom out. There he is. Here, he, they, them. Look, jingle bells, jingle bells. I can't help it. I just love it so much. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. He's got a stash, doesn't he? He's got that whole handlebar stash thing going on. Love it. All right. You got all your information down here at the bottom as well. Okay? All your important details. Love it. Love it. There's a code on here for some percentage off your next purchase. Oh my gosh. What can I say about this? I can't say any more about this. It's adorable. Look at every single thing is outlined in black AB. Black, not black AB. No. Black glow in the dark. Black glow in the dark. Outlines. All the leaves, all the berries, all the trees. Everything is outlined with glow in the dark. So when you turn the lights off, you're going to see 3 gnomes, a tree, a candy cane, berries. You're going to see it all. It just won't be in color. Isn't it cute? So cute, 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 cute. Love it. Okay, let's look at all the colors that come with this because, oh my gosh, the colors are phenomenal. Look at that. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous. We got ABs in here too. I don't have a clue where the ABs are yet. I know where the glow in the dark are, but I don't know where the ABs are. Okay, like I said, 2 big old fat bags of, okay, hang on. It's time to zoom in now. Time to get close and personal. Okay, here we go. Are we close and personal? There we go. 2 big bags of that glow in the dark. Look at this. This has got to be in that background. 38.55. 1, 2, 3 bags of it. And then 3 bags of the 38.54. I told you it's bright. Look, bright. It's not yellow. It's orange. All right. Okay. Now we have yellow, though. 2 bags of yellow. Maybe I know what it does. It goes dark to light. That's what it does. All right. 817 red. 666 red. Some greens. 712. 2 bags of that. Whoa. Wonder where those go. Like I said, I think it just gradients to dark on the outside to light in the middle, maybe. Graves. A green. Love it. Oh, hey. You guys are separate. Oh, there's our white ABs. That's the first one we found. And there's a bunch of those. White ABs. Look at, they look pink. Pink, blue. Well, they're not looking pink and blue for you. They are for me, though. Oh, look. We have green and pink in there and purple. Those aren't supposed to be there. Anyhow. Pretty, right? Aurora Borealis. Iridescent. Green and tan. Love it. Okay. What else do we have? Here comes all the colors. Green, red, orange, yellow, green, orange, salmon. Oh, there's another AB, an orange AB. Love it. 132 is an orange. Yay. Beautiful. Oh, look it. We got some pinks. Pink, pink, pink. Blue, rust, dark blue, tannish colors. All right, one more strip. One more to go. All right, here we go. Orange, red, blue, yellow, gray, more rusty brown colors. And there's the blue. 101 is this pretty blue. I'm calling it cornflower. Cornflower blue. Pretty blue. All right. Here's the rest of the colors. Some more pinks. One more blue. One more cranberry color. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay, well, we already figured out where the glow in the dark go. Everything gets outlined with glow in the dark. Our other special things are the ABs, and they are 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. All right. So, oh, we have 2s in the stripes. Okay. in the orangish stripes here. We have 2s on the stripes. 2, 2, 2. All the orange stripes get 2. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for white. White is 3. Okay. Yep. We get some white ABs in all of their beards and their mustaches. We get white AB in the hat. No white AB in the border. No, we're saving that for the Mr. Nomi guys. The Nomis. Oh, the bird gets some white AB in here. He gets a few. Let's see. Yep, the hat. How about the ball on the hat? Yep. The candy cane. Yep. That gets white. This little heart gets white. Nice. And the little patches here. Look, his beard comes way down here to his feet. Well, so does his. Anyhow, we have white AB there. And his mustache and his little poofy on his hat. There's the whites. Okay. The yellow, orange are in the stripes. I didn't see them anywhere else. Let's see. Do I see 2s anywhere else? No, I don't think I did. I think I just saw them in the stripes. Where's the 1s? The 1s are blue. Where's the 1s? 1s. Anything in the stripes? No. Not in the stripes. Not on the tree. Where's the blues? How about over here? How about on our ornament? Yep, that's where they are. On the ornament. They're in here. Here. I think that's it. Cute. I love them. Love them. Okay. What do you think? Aren't they adorable? I couldn't believe they came out with a gnome painting. Just as I'm doing November and everything, and I was like, oh, we got gnomes. Look, we got gnomes. And they are cute Christmas gnomes. Love them. All right. Well, that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you get it? Did you get it? Let me know. There were so many fun, and beautiful Christmas paintings that week. 11, I believe. 11 wintry, Christmassy things. Tough choices, right? Tough choices. But this one and the snowman, that was mine. Both cute and whimsical, fun things. All right. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here and you'd like to come back and see more videos. I appreciate it. I appreciate all you do. Watching videos, Diet Pepsis, all the stuff you do, members, everything you guys do. I appreciate it so much. I hope you have a great day. The wind is kicking up here. Ooh, it's getting a little colder. Yep. It's about that time, folks. About that time. All right. I will talk to all of you soon. Have a great day, and I will see you all later. Bye, guys.